Hello guys, this is a quick video for someone who want to find out why Campagnolo 11 speed doesn't have C-clip behind the derailleur hanger screw. This particular model you cannot service it yourself. You have to send it off to Campagnolo service center. But with the 9-10 speed, you can easily service it at home. You just take the C-clip off, take the screw out, and then you can clean inside, re-grease it if you want. But this particular 11 speed, you cannot do that. You have to send it off to Campagnolo service center. What I did is, I took it apart for you guys to see what's inside, what's the reason you cannot take it off. So this is 11 speed. As you can see, there's no C-clip, and you cannot do it yourself at home. You have to send it off to Campagnolo service center, which is, I think, it's a bit annoying, because as you can see, this is really straightforward thing to do it at home, but you know, they design it this way. I don't know what the knowledge behind. So what I did, I cut it off for you guys to see what's inside. So that's what's inside. So if you get T25, then have a look inside. So only the derailleur hanger screw is turning, the rest is not, and the other part hooked to behind the derailleur hanger. So they must have special tool. Either they pressed it together, or they have special tool that you hold the side and then you unscrew the other side. So it must be something to hold the other side to open it, or is a screw inside, 2-part screw. What I'm gonna do for you guys to see, I'm gonna further put it apart so you can see what's inside. I think this part, you can see the groove is being pressed on really hard. So I'm going to find out what's the technique inside to hold this two part together. So bear with me so you can find out. Thank you.